Hi, I wanted to show you a cute Easter or birthday gift. Actually, you can do this for any season. You want to get the hand sanitizers. You can get these on Amazon or Walmart or Target. I got these at Five Below. So this one is watermelon sugar. And this one is pineapple dream. And this one is cucumber melon. I'm going to give these to the girls at my work for Easter. So what you want to decorate these with is, these are called flatbacks, and you can get these on Temu, AliExpress, or Amazon. I just happen to have all these in my stash. These happen to be the little charms that little flatbacks that nail girls can use to glue on your nails. So I grabbed these on AliExpress, and I thought those would be cute to put on there too. So I may decide to use them or I may not. And of course, when you're decorating these, you can put them wherever you want. You can just do the lid, you can do on the top, you can do down the side. I mean, sky's the limit. You can do whatever you want. So I never know what I'm going to do until right as I'm doing it. But I was thinking for this pineapple dream, since it's kind of a peachy color, that these would be cute to put on there. I happen to have these little bunnies. Aren't those cute? And I don't want to make it very gaudy looking, so I might even just go like that. I think that's plenty. But you'll see, what you can do here. You could do that. You could put a bow. You could even put the bow right over the wish. That might be cute. You can put these cute little bunny ears there or in the corner. So lots of fun choices, but I'm just going to take, and I'm just using hot glue. And it dries fast, so as soon as you get your hot glue on there, then hurry and get your flat back on. And let's see, you can probably hear my dog coughing. She's got a collapsing trachea, so I have to give her medicine. I'm trying to decide which one. I think I like the flower, so. And it's going to cover part of the scent up, but the name of the scent, but I'm okay with that. Sometimes you can find these that have a hole in them, and then you can make a dangle charm, which is super cute. But these, when I got them the other day, they happen to not have the holes in them. Okay, now this one, let's see, I thought it might be cute. We could go cherry, and a green bunny would be cute. I'm going to save this Hello Kitty for the other one. And this little frothy drink, that would be cute, wouldn't it? Because then you've got pink and green. I'll just show you a couple of choices. You could put the bunny. You could put the yellow bunny instead of the green. That would be cute as well. Let's see. Just to give it more color. I've got this purple bow. I mean, there's just so many things you can do with these. They're just so fun. I could even put that there and then put the bunny back like that. That might be cute. Yeah, I think I'll do that one. I'm going to cover up that wish with this purple bow. So, and then I also had this cute little sweet candy treat that you could put. Okay, I think I'm going to go with the bow. I like that. And you could put the bow straight, or you can put it at an angle. I don't want it to look like it was supposed to be straight, but then got glued on accidentally crooked. So in this particular case, I'm going to glue this one on straight. Okay, so as soon as you put it on, hurry and slide it because it'll dry fast. And my cute little cherries. I just love cherries. Cherries and strawberries are really popular right now in crafting and, well, in everything. I mean, charms for your purse, hair holders or cherries and strawberries. There's just a lot of cute things you can buy these days with cherries and strawberries. Okay, there's that one. Now I'll just show you a couple things on this one that you could do. So if you have a Hello Kitty person, you could do that with this little pink one right there. That's cute. I just grabbed that little clay bead that looks like a peppermint candy. And then I got this cute little bow too. But I don't know. I just think if you put too many, it just becomes like, then it just looks like there was no thought that went into it. They were just thrown on there. So we could even put this here and this. We could get rid of the balloons and go like that. Put the drink down there. That's pretty cute, huh? Or those balloons are cute too. Oh, let's see. What do we want to do? Gosh, there are several choices that are way cute. Okay, so before I glue anything on, let me just show you some of these cute little tiny ones. Of course, I got my tweezers because these are tiny. You'd have to put them on with tweezers. Here's a darling little teddy bear. Wouldn't this be cute to put in a gift basket for a little baby girl, for a gift for a shower? That would be so cute. Here's a little butterfly. Now these, because there's little, I feel like you can put more. Here's a heart. There are different colors of bows and different colors of hearts. Oh look, here's a little dog paw if the person has a dog. Here's a cute little bow as well. And oh, there's an M&M. That might be cute. I probably don't love the M&M, but it would depend on what you're doing it for, you know. There's a cute little heart. It's kind of got a holographic touch, so I would probably put that over here because the butterfly is holographic. Anyway, that kind of gives you an idea. And then if you wanted, you could even put some down the side here. Let's see, what else have we got? We got a mermaid tail. Here's another little teddy bear. That would look cute right there. And then if I was going to do that, I would probably put one more. I'd probably put the dog paw. Let's assume this person has a dog as well. So that's cute too. So there's lots of fun things you can do with these. This would be cute to give to my nail girl for Easter. Yeah, the Hello Kitty one's super cute as well. But that gives you some ideas. So let's go with the Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Hey, baby girl, are you okay? Mama needs to give you some medicine. Okay. I just had to put one of my chihuahuas down last week. Oh, you guys, it was absolutely devastating. You know, if you've ever had a pet that you've had to put down, you just, for a couple days, you wonder how you can even get out of bed. And I just could not stop crying. And then when I came home from work, then I bawled because her spot on the couch was empty. Oh, it's been tough, I tell you. So my heart goes out to anyone who's ever had to either put an animal down or who has had one pass away on their own or get ran over by a car or whatever. It's just devastating. But okay, so there we go. So, you know, these are just fun to do for every holiday and just decorate them for the upcoming holiday or even birthdays, or if you're having a girl's birthday party, wouldn't these be cute to pass out to all the girls that come to the party with the Hello Kitty? Who doesn't love Hello Kitty? And Even that would be cute for a baby gift. And also, all these would be cute for any holiday or a birthday or whatever. So anyway, I hope I gave you some ideas. They're super fun. They're addicting. I tell you what, they are so addicting to make because they're so fun. So easy to do. Grab you some of these and get your flat backs and your hot glue gun and go to town. Thanks so much for watching.